Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we introduce you to a highly promising Depin project in the field of decentralized cybersecurity. This project has successfully raised $11.5 million and has confirmed an upcoming airdrop. The project we are discussing today is Naoris Protocol. Before we dive into the details of the airdrop and how to participate, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on potential projects in the future. What is Naoris Protocol? Naoris Protocol is an advanced decentralized cybersecurity protocol designed to protect digital world devices from network threats and related risks while enforcing cybersecurity standards. Launched in 2021, the project aims to enhance cybersecurity across all economic sectors by transforming any network infrastructure into security nodes, ensuring a safe and reliable system for operation, from Web 2 networks such as governments, enterprises, and organizations to the entire Web 3 stack. In July 2022, Naoris Protocol successfully raised $11.5 million in a funding round with participation from prominent investors like Draper Associates, Holt Exchange, Holden, Expert Dojo, Uniera, and Level 1 Robotics. More recently, in December 2024, Naoris Protocol introduced a groundbreaking post-quantum cybersecurity solution, marking the world's first decentralized physical infrastructure network, Depin, powered by post-quantum technology, specifically designed for cybersecurity and digital trust. This protocol transforms untrusted devices into a decentralized layer of trusted validation nodes, eliminating the single points of failure inherent in centralized security systems. Naoris Protocol introduces 4 key innovations. 1. Post-quantum security, designed to withstand threats from quantum computing, ensuring sensitive data and blockchain infrastructure remains secure against next-generation cyber threats. 2. Decentralized security layer, devices actively validate and prove their trusted state in real time, creating a self-reinforcing security layer that scales without becoming vulnerable. 3. Incentivized security model, devices are rewarded for maintaining security validations across the network, continuously strengthening cybersecurity defenses. 4. Real-time validation, continuous verification of node integrity minimizes risks of compromise or collusion, setting it apart from static, reactive centralized security systems. On February 1, 2025, Naoris Protocol launched its Depin testnet, marking a significant milestone in deploying its decentralized cybersecurity solution. With a vision to revolutionize digital security, Naoris Protocol is creating a decentralized security environment where every device becomes a secure validation node, contributing to an incentivized trust layer that leverages post-quantum cryptography to form a real-time decentralized validation brain. How to participate in Naoris Protocol Airdrop. Step 1. Install the project wallet. First, you need to install the Naoris Protocol wallet. Go to Google and search for Naoris Protocol Wallet. And install the wallet extension in your browser. Select Create a new wallet and securely save your seed phrase. Verify your seed phrase and set your password. In the referral code section, enter this code, VE5OBXB3HK3QFC, also provided in the video description to support the channel. Log in to your wallet. Step 2. Complete the testnet tasks. Visit the provided link to access the testnet tasks. Task 1. Log in to the Naoris wallet. This completes the first task. Task 2. Install Naoris Protocol node. Task 3. Log in with your X, Twitter account. A final task. Follow Naoris Protocol's official Twitter account. After completing the tasks, claim your points. The Naoris ecosystem dashboard contains additional tasks you can complete for more rewards. Step 3. Activate protection to earn points. Open the Naoris Protocol extension and enable protection mode to start earning points. Visit the Naoris Protocol dashboard to monitor your progress and security status. That's it. We've just introduced you to Naoris Protocol and guided you through its airdrop participation process. We hope this information is helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on potential projects in the near future. Thank you, and see you next time.